Your Genesis vehicle offers a variety of controls for FM and AM radio, as well as Sirius XM satellite radio. Start by pressing the radio button. From the radio screen, you will be able to select between FM, AM, and Sirius XM modes. In FM, AM, or Sirius XM mode, you will see the current selection of presets here at the bottom. To save a new preset, first select FM, AM, or Sirius XM. Press and hold on these arrow buttons in FM or AM mode to auto-seek to the next station. You can also swipe and hold over the optical mouse switch on your steering wheel to auto-seek between stations. However, swiping alone over the optical mouse switch will instead switch between already preset stations. In Sirius XM mode, pressing the arrow buttons will allow you to change between Sirius XM channels in numerical order. To manually enter a channel, select Direct Tune, and then enter the desired channel number. Once the correct station is listed on screen, press the star button to add it as a preset station. You can switch between presets by pressing the desired station in the preset list, or by swiping the optical mouse switch on your steering wheel to the left or right. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.